Hey guys, it's Iris and
Diego.
so sorry if my hair is bad. I just woke up and I just decided to do this video and I didn't care. We stuck at our grandma's house, but yeah. So what we will be reviewing is some toys that we bought and I never played with them. But yeah, so we're just gonna be showing you guys what we got from the store. So first, we have this little ball, and I didn't even know that it glows in the dark.
What?
But it does. Yeah, I just found that out last night. So, is this little thingy?
I wonder what happened if you drop it. Does it like do anything?
Does it glow in the dark? Let me see. Oh, it does.
It does?
Yeah, it still does.
Does it like...
But yeah, so we have this.
I wonder what happens if you drop that.
Why would you drop it? Oh, it breaks apart. So I'm just gonna put this aside and put it in here.
That's what feel. Yep. It feels a little bouncy.
Yeah. Ah! This thing breaks.
Bounce.
It breaks, okay. And this one, and it's a galaxy slime. It's better in person than camera. It's metallic galaxy slime.
Ooh.
And Diego, do you still have mine?
Well, yeah.
Because I gave some to you. This one is more stretchable, but it breaks.
Oh, let me go get mine.
Okay, come back. But yeah, so I have this slime. Close up. I want to make a good thumbnail. Okay, that might be a good thumbnail right now. But yeah, so that's that slime. Next, we're going to move on to the big, good slime that I like. And it's the legit real slime. It's this alien slime. I even saw that right there. Alien slime. I'm going to open it. And it's like really watery. It's like the legit slime. It's in a test tube too.
I've got my galaxy slime.
Show it. Yeah.
Woo!
And of course, there's gonna have to be an alien inside. So,
Ooh!
this slime. I'm too scared to drop it.
Oh.
So I'm just gonna show you guys on camera. Come here, Diego. Ah! I almost fell. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys on camera. The alien coming out. That is the alien. You wanna show them the alien?
Yeah. This is the alien right here.
And I guess this is pinkish reddish.
Let me just I just know.
That's the slime.
You have to do it. I wish you guys could actually feel
But
it.
yeah, so yeah, that'd be cool if you could feel it through the glass. But yeah, so that's a slime, and then we're just gonna have to shake this up so it'll get at the bottom. Then we put the alien, and I'll show you guys how to put the alien. Go like that, and you push it all the way like that, and it looks hidden. And yeah. So guys, I hope you guys liked this video with all bunch of these slimes. But yeah, these are the slimes. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what else do you want us to do. So yeah. Bye, beautiful flowers. Bye.